Hello folks, welcome back to your CSS tutorial, and in this tutorial we are going to see what is box model, and as usual we will be having interview question at the end of this video. So let's see what is box model. So folks, you can consider that every HTML element in your web page is a box, and the box is having different section like shown here. We have considered the h1 element, that is heading element here, and we have added the text my heading. So whatever the text or image you add inside your HTML element is called as content, and the space just outside your content is called as padding. But always remember one thing, padding is always transparent. So padding clears the area around your content, and the next section is called as border. Suppose you want to highlight your element in your HTML web page, then you can add a nice border to your HTML element, so it will be highlighted in your web page. And the space around the border or outside of your HTML element is called as margin. Again, margin is also transparent, and margin is used to increase or decrease distance between the two HTML elements. So folks, we are going to see all this stuff in the practical implementation, so don't forget to subscribe. Let's code it. So back to Visual Code. To see the box model, what we will do, we'll add a div block inside our web page, and we'll add some styling for the div block and body element. So here we have added the background color of light blue to body element and background color of blue to our div block. So let me save the changes. And here, after saving the changes, we get a 200 by 200 pixel nice div block. So what we'll do, to see the box model, we will add each CSS property inside our div element. So first of all, we will add padding property to our div block, and for better visualization we'll add some greater padding. So here I'm adding padding of 50 pixels. So let me save the changes, and look, here we can see the size of our div block is increased, but we are not able to see the padding. Why? Because padding property is transparent property, so we are not able to see the padding in our HTML web page. It is just used to clear the content area. Okay, so next property we are going to see is the border. So how we add border? We add border with the help of border property. Okay, and we have to specify width, then we have to specify the style of our border, then we have to specify the color of our border. So for now we will specify color as dark blue. Let me save the changes, and look, the border of 20 pixel is inserted in our div block. So the last element remaining in our CSS box model is margin. So for better visualization, again I will add greater margin of 50 pixel. Let me save the changes, and look, our box is moved, but we are not able to see the margin, because again margin is the transparent. And here you can see for all the sides, that is top, bottom, right and left, the margin of 50 pixel is added to our div block. If you want to take a look at that box model, you can take the help from developer tools. Here you can go to more tools and click on developer tools. Okay, then you have to select your div block like this, and then you can see the box model here. So this is the 200 by 200 pixel, the content area of our box model, our div block. Then you have specified the padding of 50 pixels. After that we have specified the border of 20 pixel, and here you can see the margin of 50 pixel. But at the right side, as you can notice, the margin is greater than 50 pixels. So why is so? Because the div block is the block level element, and what are the block level elements or inline elements? We are going to see that in next video. So friends, that's it for the box model. Now it's time for the interview question. So interview question says, what is the height of div element having following CSS properties? So friends, always remember one thing, height or width of your HTML element is not only the height or width of your content area, but the height is equal to height plus top border, top padding, top margin and bottom margin. So summation of all this property gives you a proper height or proper width of your HTML element. So answer for this question is 290 pixels. So friends, that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in upcoming tutorial.